Hello everyone, welcome back to another card opening here on Simon's Card Hut. My name is Simon and today we are going to be opening another box of Flesh and Blood Dusk Till Dawn. So without further ado, let's open the box and try to be a bit gentle. So let's see what we can get. Once again, 24 packs with lovely paper wrappers. Let's see what we can get. Once again, I will skip the uninteresting common ones. We have a Blessing of Salvation in red and a Grim Feast also in red in that pack. Let's move on to the next one. And here we have a Tribute to the Legions of Doom in red for our rainbow foil, a Banneret of Resilience and a Deathly Delight for our rares. On to the next pack we go. Once again, skipping Battlefield Breaker in red for our rainbow foil, a Banneret of Vigor, and an Envelope in Darkness blue for our rares. On to the next pack we go. Where we have a Soul Cleaver yellow for our rainbow foil, a V for Valor and a Beaming Blade for our rares. On to the next pack. A Rift Skitter in blue for our foil, a Deathly Whale and a Hungering Demigon in red for our rares. On to the next pack. Well, I should probably read the cards. So we have a Deathly Whale in blue for our foil rare, a V for Valor, and a Winsett, the young version, for our rares. And on to the next pack we go, where we have a Celestial Reprimand for our rainbow foil, Blessing of Salvation for our rare, and another Deathly Delight. On to the next pack, where we have a Shaden Death Hydra for our majestic rainbow foil here. Once again, prices will be edited later rest, and a Ram Raider for our rares. I will also make sure to treat the cards very diligently so that they get no scratches, and will sleeve accordingly as well. So we have a Tear Through the Portal yellow for our foil, a Ram Raider red and a Starstruck Bravo specialization for our majestic in this pack. On to the next pack. Where we have a Blistering Assault in blue for our foil common, a Vile Inquisition and a Funeral Moon for our majestic. On to the next pack. Let's see what we can get here. Starting with a Putrid Stirrings in blue for our foil, Frontline Legs Cold foil, and a Beaming Bravado for our rares. On to the next pack, where we have a V for Valor in rainbow foil rare, a cleansing light, and an envelope in darkness for RS. Let's move on to the next pack, where we have a Tribute to Demolition for our rainbow foil, a Banneret of Resilience, and a Grim Feast for our regular rares. So let's continue with a Tribute to Demolition once again, this time in yellow, a Wall Breaker, and a non-foil Shaden Death Hydra. So let's have a look at the next pack. We have a Vile Inquisition, rainbow foil rare, a Lay to Rest, and a Flicker Trick for our Majestic. On to the next pack. Where we have a Charge of a Light Brigade in red for our rainbow foil, a V for Valor, and a Reality Refractor. Still a few packs left in the box, so let's just push on. With a Break of Dawn in blue, a Deathly Wail, and a Numbskull for our Majestic here. Very nice. On to the next pack, where we have a Shade and Swing for our foil, a Ram Raider, and Frontline Legs. On to the next pack. Where we have a Phantom Rave blue for our rainbow foil, a Shade and Scream in blue, and a Yellow United We Stand for our Majestic. On to the next pack. Where we have a Searing Ray, a Cleansing Light, and a Beaming Bravado for our rares. So we have 4 packs left to go. Let's see if we can get something good in those last few packs. Fingers crossed. We have an Envelope in Darkness red for our rainbow foil, another Envelope in Darkness in blue, and a Herald of Ravages. First to last pack. Let's see what we get. We get a Blessing of Salvation blue in rainbow foil, a Beaming Bravado, and a Vile Inquisition for our rares. On to the next pack. Where we have a Battlefield Breaker for our rainbow foil, a Shade and Scream, and another Envelope in Darkness. So, last pack. Would be very funny to pull the gem now, but I highly doubt it. We have a Phantom Banshee, yellow for our foil, a V for Valor in blue, and a Blessing of Salvation in yellow. So this has been another card opening. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. And I will be seeing you at the next one.